Hey flowers, it's your girl Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. This is my third video of 31 days of Halloween, but this video was an intermission, honey. I decided to do a hair tutorial on these curls. I posted a video last week and you guys love the curls on Instagram, on YouTube. Everybody was commenting on my hair, so I decided to show you guys how I got these voluptuous curls. I keep seeing these synthetic hair wigs with like this like curly bang look, and I was like, oh, I really want a wig like that. And then I was like, sis, you got a bang with a wig. Sis, you know how to curl hair. So I decided to show you guys how I got these curls. Believe it or not, it's super easy. So if you want to see how to get this beautiful curly bang wild goodness, realness, honey, I'm giving you everything. I'm giving you life. Go ahead and continue to watch. But before we get into the video, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell for notifications so that anytime that I upload a video, you're notified. Go ahead and thumbs up this video and share this video with your friends. Like, comment, share, subscribe. You already know. I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Remember to bloom, because a flower is simply a soul blossoming in nature. Hey. Hi guys, so I've already done most of the wig because honestly this style is tedious and it does take a while, even though it's really easy. So all I'm doing is taking my wand curler, as you can see, and I am just curling that hair. Be careful guys, because my wand curler gets so hot. So try to wear one of those like mitts that protect your hand or something, because I don't want y'all to burn yourself. So then what I do, because this is the front, I just pin them together. In the back, I did individual curls around this same size. So you just want to take the wand, curl it up, pin it down. Literally, that's it. As you can see, I'm taking smaller sections again. I'm going to brush this piece. What am I doing? Okay, I did brush it out, but whatever. And I'm going to start curling that again. This is really repetitive, but this is what you have to do to get these curls. You have to take your time with it. That's why I said, like, I was not about to curl this whole wig in front of y'all, because we would have had literally a 2-hour video of just me curling, and no. So this is my Suave Max Hold Spray. So I'm spraying it on the curls. I didn't mention what it was or show what it was the first time, so I'm showing you now. We're telling you now. I got you, sis. I almost forgot, but I got you. So now we're doing that last section, which is right above the bang. I'm brushing that section out. And then, of course, back with the wand, you want to curl that. I don't think it depends. It doesn't matter which way you curl it, to me, because these curls are supposed to give you like a wild effect. So I'm noticing I curl everything underneath. So now that I finished that side, we're going to go ahead and do the other side off camera, because like I said, it's just literally the same thing over and over. But I am going to show you guys how I do the bang. Now, I do the bang the same exact way. And honestly, the first time I did this style, the bang did not come out how I wanted it to. It came out how I wanted it to this time. So I guess, I don't know what I did, or I don't know how I did it a little bit different. I think I pinned them a little bit tighter, which you'll see. And the curls came out curly as well. Like, I like it so much more like this. If you like it the other way, which I'll actually, insert a picture somewhere. If you like it with the bang a little bit less curly, you can just bump them under when you're done with all of the pin curls. It's really up to you. It's a style preference. So we're just doing those last few curls. It's okay that the hair comes off of the wand a little bit. Like, it's a short, blunt cut bangs. Like, it's fine. Like, it's literally fine. You hear my humming? I can hum, but I can't sing. Anyway, so I'm just putting that last bit of curls in, and you see, like, I'm making sure it's nice and tucked under. So this is how the full wig looks. I'm back, and you can see that wig again. Excuse my braids. And honestly, this wig has a bang. I'm not gluing it down. We are literally going with elastic band, and that's about it. So I'm just gonna start taking out those curls really, really quickly. Like, this shouldn't take but 5-10 minutes, if that. Like, 10 minutes is stretching this. But literally just take the pins out and let them fall how they fall. Make sure you get all of the pins out. It would be nice if you went line by line and just grabbed them out so that you don't miss anything. But yeah, those are how the curls are looking straight out of the pins. And I'm just going through little by little. Like, when I tell you, this is really, really easy, but it just looks so pretty. Like, this is a style that y'all might see me do a lot because I love how this came out, honestly, y'all. Like, honest, I love this. I hope y'all love it too. If y'all love it just as much as I do, or even more, make sure you comment down below and let me know how much you love this style. So as you see, I'm just kind of separating some of the curls and I'm finger combing them out. That way I can keep the curl in longer. So now I'm taking off the bangs and I'm looking at it. I'm like, ooh, like in my head. My face is not showing it, but my insides are like, ooh, this is how I wanted to bang the first time. But that one piece was not trying to let me be great. I guess you can't have it all. Okay, so now I'm just making sure I like the volume or the voluptuousness of the curls and making sure it looks nice and kind of shaped to my head. And did you see that? But guys, that is pretty much it. That's how you get that style. Let me tuck that. Move. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, or as much as I love wearing it. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another video. I hope you enjoyed my 31 Days of Halloween hair intermission. Love you guys. Mwah.